He was chomping them. It didn't hurt. So she claims.
Didn't hurt,
Let
didn't
him
hurt.
chomp me.
It's a nut bite, or whatever you call it when someone bites you.
Yeah.
On what, the big duck thing?
Right there.
Oh my God. He has, Mark, did you see the leaf toe bird?
Yeah. That is really weird.
He's more interesting than the
He's got
lemur.
socks on. He's got his winter socks on. These guys would so love to have some peanuts and popcorn.
Oh my God, they'd be so happy. Want to go buy some popcorn and accidentally drop some?
Yeah, for sure.
Let's. Look at this one up
Yeah,
here.
look at his toes. He's funky looking.
Something wrong with you guys' feet.
Didn't mean to do that.
Ah, pff. V.